From a mysterious white paper published under the name Satoshi Nakamoto to the creation of a trillion-dollar digital asset market, the world of cryptocurrency has evolved at lightning speed. What started as a fringe experiment is now shaping the future of global finance. But with over 20,000 coins out there, how do you separate hype from true long-term potential? In this episode of Crypto Visionaries, we reveal the top 5 cryptocurrencies that aren't just trending. They're building real value, utility, and staying power. These aren't the meme coins of yesterday. These are the digital assets backed by strong technology, visionary teams, and real-world adoption that could fuel the next generation of innovation and wealth creation. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just stepping into the crypto space, this list is designed to help you think beyond short-term pumps and look towards sustainable growth. So grab your notebook, get ready to explore the future of money, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a chance to stay ahead of the curve. Let's dive in. 5. Cardano, ADA. Cardano is one of the most academically driven projects in the crypto space. Founded by Charles Hoskinson, one of the co-founders of Ethereum, Cardano takes a peer-reviewed research-first approach to blockchain development. The project uses a unique proof-of-stake protocol called Ouroboros, which is not only energy efficient but also highly secure. Cardano aims to provide a robust platform for decentralized applications, smart contracts, and identity solutions, particularly focused on real-world use cases in developing nations. What makes Cardano stand out for long-term investors is its slow but steady development cycle. The team prioritizes formal verification, scientific research, and scalability over hype. That's helped ADA gain trust among long-term holders, even if it's not always the loudest name in the headlines. With ongoing developments like Hydra, its scalability solution, and growing adoption in regions like Africa, Cardano is positioning itself for a sustainable future, especially as governments and institutions begin to explore blockchain for infrastructure and ID systems. 4. Polygon, Matic. If Ethereum is the highway, then Polygon is the super-efficient express lane built on top of it. As the demand for Ethereum-based applications exploded, DeFi, NFTs, Web3 games, so did the network congestion and gas fees. That's where Polygon steps in. Polygon is a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, offering faster transaction speeds and significantly lower costs. It's compatible with Ethereum's infrastructure, which means developers can easily build on Polygon without abandoning the broader Ethereum ecosystem. But Polygon isn't just a single sidechain. It's evolving into a full multi-chain ecosystem, including zero-knowledge rollups and supernets, with custom-built blockchains for specific use cases. What makes Polygon so compelling for long-term investors is its massive adoption. Big names like Starbucks, Nike, Reddit, and Meta have launched projects or integrations on Polygon. Even institutional players are exploring Polygon as a gateway to scalable Web3 infrastructure. And with Ethereum's shift to proof-of-stake, projects like Polygon are better positioned than ever to benefit from the next phase of crypto growth. Matic, its native token, powers everything from staking to transaction fees, making it a crucial part of the network's economics. 3. Binance Coin, BNB. At number 3, we have Binance Coin, the utility token behind the largest crypto exchange in the world, Binance. BNB started as a simple discount token for trading fees, but it has evolved into a powerhouse asset, fueling one of the most robust ecosystems in crypto. It's used for transactions on the Binance Smart Chain, BSC, one of the most active blockchains for decentralized finance, gaming, and smart contracts. Beyond that, BNB is used in token sales, liquidity mining, NFT purchases, and more. The BNB chain continues to attract developers thanks to its speed, low fees, and scalability. It competes directly with Ethereum as a smart contract platform, especially for users looking for a more cost-effective option. Binance also employs a quarterly token burn model, using profits from exchange revenue to buy back and destroy BNB tokens. This creates long-term scarcity, increasing the value for holders over time. With Binance expanding globally, despite regulatory hurdles, BNB remains one of the most trusted and widely used tokens in the world. As long as Binance stays dominant, BNB is likely to remain a valuable long-term asset. 2. Ethereum, ETH. Ethereum doesn't need much of an introduction. Launched in 2015, it's the original smart contract platform, the foundation for everything from decentralized finance to NFTs, DAOs, and gaming. While Bitcoin brought decentralized money, Ethereum introduced programmable blockchain technology. Developers can build anything on Ethereum: lending platforms, decentralized exchanges, tokenized assets, and more. It's the backbone of Web3. What makes Ethereum a top long-term investment isn't just its dominance, it's the fact that it's still evolving. In 2022, Ethereum completed its massive transition to proof-of-stake through the merge, making it 99% more energy efficient. Next up is the Surge, which introduces sharding, a technology that will drastically increase Ethereum's scalability and reduce fees. Combined with Layer 2 solutions like Arbitrum, Optimism, and Polygon, Ethereum is aiming to become the global settlement layer for all things decentralized. Ethereum also has a powerful network effect. The more developers, users, and platforms that build on Ethereum, the harder it becomes for any competitor to catch up. And with ETH now being burned during transactions, the supply is slowly decreasing, creating deflationary pressure over time. ETH isn't just a tech investment, it's a bet on the future of finance, identity, digital ownership, and decentralized governance. 1. Bitcoin, BTC. Topping the list, as expected, is Bitcoin, the original cryptocurrency. The first truly decentralized digital money, and still, after all these years, the most valuable and trusted crypto asset in existence. Bitcoin's strength lies in its simplicity and scarcity. With only 21 million coins that will ever exist, Bitcoin mimics gold's scarcity while being far more portable, divisible, and resistant to seizure. It's not trying to be a smart contract platform. It doesn't promise to reinvent the internet. It simply aims to be the world's hardest, most secure store of value. For long-term investors, Bitcoin has been the most resilient asset across multiple market cycles. Every time the market crashes, Bitcoin bounces back, and each time, it reaches new all-time highs. It has the strongest brand, the most decentralized network, and the highest institutional interest. More and more corporations and funds are adding Bitcoin to their balance sheets. In countries with unstable currencies, Bitcoin is being used as a hedge against inflation. And with the approval of Bitcoin ETFs, it's now easier than ever for mainstream investors to gain exposure. So there you have it, the top 5 cryptocurrencies to consider for long-term investing: Cardano, Polygon, Binance Coin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. Whether you believe Bitcoin will one day replace gold, serve as the foundation of a new financial system, or simply exist as digital real estate, it remains the most reliable, battle-tested crypto asset for long-term gains. Each of these projects offers something unique, whether it's solving scalability, powering massive ecosystems, enabling smart contracts, or acting as a store of value. And while no investment is without risk, these 5 represent some of the most solid, proven opportunities in the crypto world today. Before you invest in any asset, always do your own research. Consider your risk tolerance, time horizon, and investment goals. And remember, in crypto, patience and conviction often outperform chasing hype. Wealth isn't built by chance. It's built by those who understand where the world is headed before everyone else catches on. If this list of long-term crypto investments gave you a clearer vision of the digital future, don't just keep scrolling. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a moment that could impact your financial journey. These 5 cryptocurrencies are more than just tokens. They're ecosystems, technologies, and revolutions in motion. But this is just the beginning. The world of crypto moves fast, and those who stay informed stay ahead. So, we want to hear from you. Which coin do you believe will lead the next bull run? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Chainlink? Maybe a sleeper pick no one's watching yet? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every one. And if you have a topic you'd like us to break down in a future video, whether it's NFTs, blockchain gaming, DeFi protocols, or how to build a solid portfolio, let us know. This channel is here to empower your financial future, one smart choice at a time. Thanks for watching, and remember, invest wisely, stay curious, and never stop learning. We'll see you in the next video.